and we are going on the road to do some return. I have some. Guys, we made it to the beach, and I'm not sure if it is Tuesday morning. My face white. Can I just put on my sunscreen? Should I eat one protein bar? I never eat none. Guys, may I walk go back home now for the next vlog. So, see you guys in the next one. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. It is Sunday morning and we are going on the road to do some return. I have some Fashion Nova stuff that I need to return, and I bought summer last night, and when we come home it not good, so I bring it back at Aldi. So stay tuned for the vlog. So yes, we just done eat and we're gonna head out now, so stay tuned for the vlog. All right. Open the door. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. Good morning. But guess what? I'm literally just in here for two things. I need to get some paper towel. What am I doing? So the one I'm normally get. So I think I'll get the brownie. And the next thing I come in here for some razor. Razor. Let's see. They don't have the yellow dial soap. May I get Dove Sensitive, 2 Dove Sensitive, and 2 of them one here, the white one. And I'm gonna get the razor, and I can't leave, but I'm not selling the razor. God, that alone I come in here for. That's the only thing I came in here for. Right, see the one of my stuff that I drop from me. What kind of cross is this? I'm gonna go back up here so for one next one. Oh. I say when I see Dollar Tree skincare stuff, them I go viral on the internet. Everybody I talk about them. But I use them yet. I hurry up and come out. Xavier wait for me. I need one. Some of them for my foot scrub. Find that one here. Pedicure kit. Sugar scrub. $1 Neat here. The one that says sugar scrub. I need a scrub for my foot. Alright, to make up the camera too far. Sorry. This one has 6 blade. That's the one I am looking for. Dollar Tree Skincare. Retinol serum. Lip mask. What? These, I saw them talking about this one on Instagram. Alright, me I gotta leave. It's all of us to the something else what I need. I say shower cap. I need shower cap. I got the razor and come on. Guys, we just come home and return the stuff to my fashion over. I got Aldi. I never sure when time I go in Aldi. In a Aldi pack. But the good thing is then they stack out the stuff them, so there was a chicken breast this time. Last night there wasn't any. And I get to return the salmon and get a different one. So now I go upload a video and then start to cook. So stay tuned for the vlog, guys. Hey guys, I'm putting the chicken. These are some thighs and rib. And this are the leg them and 2 rib because it was some leg quarter. So guys, let's get back to the vlog. I watch an African show. So in the rice, I use some chicken stock, some bone broth, not chicken stock, sorry, bone broth, and I'm gonna make some rice for me and say, Xavier, after rice, you know, I'm gonna make some rice for me and say, it's probably last week for the week because I just me and her. Even though she not gonna eat rice all week. So I not do a lot. Yeah, then I might not. Yeah, so I not do a lot. And I think I'm gonna do some peanut Xavier. Not for the entire week. I say I want to carry all week this week in just one couple days, and I have something else going to sip on Instagram. So the chicken already in the oven. I go do some chicken breast steam. The chicken for me and Zaya. The leg quarter for me and Zaya. And the chicken breast for him. This is way too much rice. I have to take out some. I not even didn't realize there's so much to take out. So this alright. I think for more protein, I'm gonna put some more black bean in other words. It has 17 grams of protein per serving. So I think not 17, 9 grams of protein. So I think I'm gonna add some black beans to get more. Make the rice, you know, more fiber and stuff. Guys, we're going to the beach and the whole road closed. I think they might have some art walkers somewhere down here, or some because you can't see the tent them in the road. This might be their shops set up, but they look like that guy closed down. Guys, we made it to the beach, and I'm not sure if this is going to block out a lot of the noise, but it's very windy. The sun is just blowing everywhere. It's very, very much windy. And the water, it gone way down, and then it gone down one ditch like. It never used to be like that. I've been coming here for a while to this beach, and it's never looked like this. Now it's like this big open lot. Mr. Guys, I'm go down at the beach. Normally the water they right here, so I go walk and show you. Right, I saw me stand up and now look on the water out there, so and it not just out there, it down in our something because I go there a while ago for swim. And the way have a lick me, may I tell you, to smother their parasol. We are down there, so. I have my mic, hopefully the muff can take out some of the sound, but look, it's not just out here, so but it's dead down. This is the beach now. I don't know how this happened. But this is how it looks now. And it is so windy and it's very choppy because I was just right there. And the wave just come and lick me. And it's the wind that's blowing the sun is stinging up on your skin. I gotta have sun in our ear because man, some wind where I blow. Look for woman or the sun blow wind panny. The wind blow sun panny. Look, pure sun. It never make no sense we will try to fix it because the breeze just blow the sun pan there. Everything full of sun right here now. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Monday and I am getting ready to take down my braids and take down Zaya's braid. I just wash all our fruit and my everything. And that is my plan right now. Right now that is my plan. Stand up on top of the table. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, welcome back to the vlog because this is a vlog. It is a Tuesday. I'm watching it downstairs. It is Tuesday morning. My face white. Can I just put on my sunscreen? Look at my face white. Anyway, I go for my walk, but this time I'm gonna try to walk to Publix because I want to get almond milk. It is a little distance. I think I'm gonna get all of my steps them in just by doing that walk, going and come. I can push Zaya in her stroller now, and I'm push her up on her bike. But when I push her on the bike, sometimes she don't want to pedal and she just stop. Put her foot on the pedal and stop the bike. So what I'm gonna do is push her in her stroller. This way I can go and come back. So stay tuned. Guys, so I just make it out of my development and I am walking to Publix. I burn 42 calories coming out of my development so far. I'm up on the side of the road. I'm gonna show you which part may I walk go up to which part that stoplight today. I'm gonna show you. Can't see, but up there so may I walk go up to that stoplight. Up there so the Publix stay. Since me up on my walk, I just like go out there and get one almond milk and what again? I think a tart cherry juice for Zaya. And what again? There's something else I am forgetting. There's something else. Oh, the lesser evil snacks. And probably if them have coconut yogurt, we'll get it. I don't know if everything can hold under the bottom of Zaya's stroller, but that's what I'm doing right now. Last night was the first night of me and Xavier workout. We start last night. It was mostly lifting. Man, it was hard. I felt it all over my body. I feel it right here now everywhere it hurt me. But I am committed to losing the weight, so and everybody said walking really helps, so we're walking. Everybody said walking help, and they must say the fastest way to burn fat is walking. So I guess it works out. So with the walking to burn the fat and the lifting to build the muscle. And we are working out every single no lie. We're not working out on Friday. Just Monday to Thursday. Enough iron, I'm so reach. So reach. I just have to put on Zaya hat because she don't want the stroller sunshade for cover her and the sun hat. I'm reach up there so I give her some water. Oh, why my camera lean so? This is not my angle at all. I say a while ago I reach so I'm big iguana I'm there right there so but in dead. Me frightened, stop me right now my tracks. But I reach now. I reach the stoplight now. I just go across and then go over Publix. It's not really far. It's not far from me. You said the iguana frightened me. Every time I come back, I see if I can feed him. Big enough? Zaya, hold this for me, please. Thank you. Big iguana. Oh my God. Not really far. It's just that the sun. But I choose this time for walk because it's perfect. So by the time I go back, I time to give her something to eat and then our nap time. And because we're out in the sun, she's gonna feel kind of tired. So, yeah. It's after 11 now. It's 11:01 now. And by the time I reach back, I just time to give her our lunch. And then after our lunch, chill a little bit and then nap time. So this time is the perfect time. And then I'm gonna make something. Because I'm not eating this morning, you know. So I should have eat one protein bar, I never eat none. Alright, I'm going across. See, stop like that. By the time I reach again, the light is green. May I go over there now? Let's see it, yeah. My watch just told me that I just reached 1 mile at 25 minutes. And that's because I stop, you know. So the Publix. Because I reach long time. Because I stop. Alright, let me go inside. Public sign. Whew. I closed my exercise ring already. Wonder how much steps I take. Zaya. Alright, let's go buy what my son may go buy and let's head back home. The first stop should be the milk. But let me see if Mrs. Zaya chips first. I'm gonna see it yet. They only have Paris Booty. Let's see Lesser Evil. Yung glove to see it eh. Alright, let me Alright, see it here. Vanilla. filtered water, organic almond, organic vanilla extract, Himalayan pink salt. Alright. So this is one thing. Yogurt. Yogurt. And then that's it. And I need a creamer. Alright, load up Zaya's stroller. Time for take on back the road. Ready? Alright, let me open this one. Here. You ready for your nap? Zaya's stroller ball because it's heavy. I have one tart cherry juice and the milk, the oat milk, the almond milk in there, and the other stuff them. So I know in the heavy. That is the iguana where they deny road. On the sidewalk. Guys, I walk I go back home now. I'm kinda tired. I'm turn off the face tracking. I am very, very tired. I'm not telling no lie. Really, really tired. And it's not tired because of the walking. I think it's more so the sun. It's more so the sun. But every now and again, liquor breeze blow. Every now and again, liquor breeze blow. And cool me down like a calorie. Very windy now. And then there's a lot of trees on the sidewalk, so them come over. And some places are not so hot, so that's a good thing. I think Zaya ready for go home now. Even though she love outside, you know. She love outside. Whew. I'm not Publix people, I must have wonder because although I'm mostly old people, so they're not really focused on my camera. They not even know it's a camera. What if people not even know it's a camera Marvin on my hand? Because it's so small. Probably if me that use my phone now, it'll draw attention, but it never draw none. I'm going to hopefully not hear me clearly because of the wind. From Marvin on my mic. Hopefully it's clear. So I'm going to reach home, I'm going to edit this because I'm going to post it tomorrow. When I soon reach home, may I talk like a farmer leave. Alright, so I reach home. I'm tired, I'm sweat. I go cool off little and give her some feed. Well, me and her go eat. And then bring her upstairs and I will wash off and put her for the car nap. Good time. Now I level 53. So basically leave out I think about 10:53 or 10 something. And when time we reach auto development it was 11:01 and we reach back 11:53. Good time. Very good time. Alright, so if I don't come back, this is the end of the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. But if I do come back, you know, anything else what me I gonna do, I'm gonna put it on the next vlog. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.